I just found a crazy new niche that's getting insane views. And this niche is going to be the biggest topic that the internet is going to talk about for the next 5 years. This channel called CC Stray started just a month ago, and it only has 11 videos, yet it has almost 70,000 subscribers. And if you take a look at the views that they are getting, you will understand what I'm talking about. This niche is basically about GTA San Andreas, but these scenes are AI generated. Now, hear me out. November 19th, 2026, GTA 6 is going to get released, and it's going to break the internet. Streamers and gamers are already planning to flood social media platforms with GTA 6 content. So, it's going to be your chance to enter this market even if you are not a gamer. The best example of this is this channel. I'm a gamer myself, so I'm going to probably create content about this niche. So, I checked on YouTube to find a video that shows how to create content like this. But there were none. That's why I decided to make this video, so that you guys can learn how to create AI-generated content like this for any game and start your own channel. For this process, I'm using this master prompt. I'll show you how to get this exact master prompt at the end of the video. I created it after wasting a lot of AI credits and money on failed generation attempts. And finally, I was able to make the perfect prompt for that. First, we need to create the character sheets. For this process, you can use any AI generator. It doesn't matter. You can even do this in Google Flow. But if you can use Seedance 2.5, you can get better results. I'm using this tool called AZ8. It doesn't matter what tool you're using. What I'm doing here is that I downloaded some images from Google, and I'm transforming them into a 3D style using the master prompt. All I'm doing here is just copying and pasting the prompt. And here I have character sheets for our 4 main characters. These are from GTA 5. Now, we need a story. For that, I'm going to go to Claude AI and ask it to generate a 60-second scene with these 3 main characters. And I'm going to also give the information about this game so that it can make a relatable story. As you can see here, we have our demo story ready with some dialogue. The next step is the most important part. If you get that part wrong, everything is going to get ruined. Therefore, follow this step correctly. First, you need to decide how many AI clips that you are going to generate and what the duration of each clip is. This is going to depend on what AI model you are using. I'm using Seedance 2.5. Therefore, it's going to be 30-second clips. If you are using the Seedance 2 model, it can only generate clips up to 15 seconds. And if you are using Gemini Omni, the maximum duration is 10 seconds. So based on your model, you need to decide how many clips you are going to need. And then simply ask Claude AI to generate prompts. Use this prompt for that. Generate 2 prompts to cover generating scenes for this story. Each prompt is to generate a 30-second scene. Add all the dialogue and all the details in the story for each prompt. And make sure the style of the video is similar to these style references. And then I'm going to include the master prompt. And that's it. So if you are making 15-second scenes, change this prompt according to that. Okay, once your prompt is generated, you can start the video creation process. So I'm going to copy the first prompt and go back to the workspace. And I'm going to use these character sheets as the reference images. And let's select the AI model as Seedance 2.5. And I'm going to add the prompt we just created, and let's generate the video. So these are some scenes I created with different models. Let's take a look at them.
This right here runs like a dream.
Man, that door's held on with duct tape.
Franklin, what are you doing at a place like this? I thought you had taste now.
Trying to get something low-key. Not everybody wants to roll around advertising midlife crisis.
This is a Cavacade. It's a family vehicle.
That's how you can create scenes like this. It's not that hard. I wouldn't recommend doing long-form content for this niche because it's going to cost you a lot of credits to make a video around 3 to 4 minutes long. But you can make around 10 short videos with the same amount of credits. And with short videos, you can easily grow an audience. And then, while you are doing that, you can also post videos about upcoming news related to GTA 6. For example, if you take a look at this short channel, they have millions of views, and all these contents are about GTA 6 news. This is another short channel, and it has only 3 videos, and one of them has 5 million views. If you are a gamer, this niche is going to be super easy for you. Once the game drops, these channels are going to go insanely viral because they already have built the foundation. I'm going to give you some video ideas that you can try. You can do the graphic comparison videos and ranking top movements videos, funny stream clips related to GTA, and commentary videos. If you check these channels, you can get good video ideas. Even if you are not a gamer, I recommend trying this niche. So if you want an in-depth tutorial about how to make these short videos, drop a comment. I will create a video about it. So you can get the prompts that I used for this task from the description. There is a Google Drive link. Just go to it and you can easily download it. And with that, today's video is about to end. I will see you guys in the next video.